Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated and ventilated seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and power front seats. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.